In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, so you can quickly give the right teammates access to a deal and keep everyone aligned. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for inside HubSpot's interface. First, sign into your HubSpot account using your usual login details. Once you're in the main dashboard, move your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a section labeled CRM. Hover your mouse over CRM to reveal more options. From that expanded menu, click on Deals. You'll now be taken to your deals list. This is where all of your active, closed, or pipeline deals are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific deal you want to update. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of deals, use the search bar or filters at the top to narrow things down. Once you've found the right deal, click on its name to open the deal record. Inside the deal, you'll see several panels with different types of information, like activity, emails, and properties. Focus on the left-hand panel of this deal record. In this panel, look for a section called About This Deal. This section contains key property fields that describe the deal, such as amount, stage, and owner. Within About This Deal, look for a field labeled Deal Collaborator. If your account hasn't assigned anyone yet, this field may show something like No Owner or may appear empty. Click directly on that field or on the drop-down that appears next to No Owner. When you click the drop-down, HubSpot will display a list of users or team members you can assign as collaborators. Scroll through the list or use the search option if it's available to quickly find the person you want to add. Make sure you select the teammate who needs visibility or involvement in this deal, such as a sales engineer, account manager, or anyone else who should be looped in. Once you click their name, HubSpot will automatically update the field. There's no need to hit a separate save button. Your changes will auto-save in the background. You should now see that person listed as the collaborator in the Deal Collaborator field. And that's all you need to do to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot, helping your team stay coordinated and informed on every opportunity.